Right. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the ifs statement in Excel. And basically, you use the function if you have multiple if statements or multiple conditions to satisfy. So in this case, we're looking into the different exam scores of students, and we have to grade these students based on three criteria: excellent, average, or poor. Whereas you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, each criteria has a different grade limit. So jumping into the problem right away, let's press equals and type ifs. And so let's set up our first logical test or first condition, which in this case is if the score is greater than or equals to 80, then we should print excellent based on the first criteria here, right? And so that's our first criteria. Now our second criteria is average, right? So between 50 and 79. So if our score is greater than or equals to 50 basically, then we print average. And the reason why we can just use greater than or equals to 50 is because let's say even if the person scores 80, 81, 82, which is greater than 80, Excel will revert back to this original statement here. So if the person grades, let's say, an 85, a 90, then Excel will satisfy this condition on top here. And so lastly, for the final criteria, which is poor or below 50, we make another logical statement selecting the score here. And if the score is below 50, then print poor, like this. Close your brackets and press enter. And so we get the following. We can just drag this formula down, copy and paste it, and we get this, right? So Alice, since she scores 85, she's in the excellent range. Bob scores 60, so he's in the average range. Charlie scored 45, scored poorly because it's below 50. And David scored 75, meaning he's in the average range. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.